It is IAS Kannada Vahini, sponsored by SG Career Academy Sirsi. We are continuing with the same question part, that is question analysis of IAS 2020. Today's question is about Constitution as well as modern Indian history. The question is, who among the following was not an intermediary in the famous Gandhi-Irvine Pact of 1931? As you know, so 1930 important incident. So in that Gandhi-Irvine Pact we have taken, so 4 answer options are there: Sir Tej Bahadur Sapru, M. Jayakar, V.S.S. Shastri and J. Nehru. These are the 4 answer options. Among these 4, who was not an intermediary? Means who actually not brokered the pact between Gandhi and Irvine, Lord Irvine. It is J. Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was not there. Other 3 were there, that is Sir Tej Bahadur Sapru, Jayakar, M. Jayakar and V.S.S. Shastri were there. So D is the answer. Here the important point means there are 3 important movements were there. First one is 1920s non-cooperation movement started by Gandhi. Again 1930 salt satyagraha or civil disobedience movement. Then 1942 Quit India movement. At present we are dealing with only like 1930 civil disobedience movement. Here 1 or 2 important things one should bear in mind while answering this type of question. First one is Simon Commission. Appointed in 1927, came to India in 1928. So it was totally opposed, as you know, because no Indian member was there. And it gave the report in 1929. So based on the recommendation of the Simon Commission, the Labour Party of the England convened the Round Table Conference in 1930. So the first Round Table Conference was inaugurated on November 12, 1930. But Indian Congress didn't participate in it, but it started civil disobedience movement, that is famous Salt Satyagraha in India. Whereas it ended without any concrete result, that is first Round Table Conference in London ended without any concrete result. But British government wanted some kind of inclusion of Indian Congress. So it went for some kind of pact with the Congress. So that happened in the case of like Gandhi-Irvine Pact, that is in March 1931. British government unconditionally released the Gandhi from the jail, and it was brokered by these 3 people. And also that is the same resolution, that is Karachi's Congress, that is in March 1931, Karachi Congress session of the Indian National Congress endorsed the Gandhi-Irvine Pact. That is the second term what I have explained, second term. So Karachi Congress actually endorsed the Gandhi-Irvine Pact. By that the 11 demands of the Gandhi also met by British government, and in return Gandhiji agreed to participate in the second Round Table Conference, that is in 1931. The only candidate from the Indian National Congress, Gandhiji participated in the second Round Table Conference, but that also became a failure because British did not heed or like did not give the expected result or kind of assurance. That's why Gandhiji returned from the London empty-handed. Therefore it was also a failure. After that, you know, as of that is Prime Minister of the Britain, Ramsay MacDonald, announced the communal award. Because of that, some difference arose between the Ambedkar and Gandhi, and Pune Pact was signed.